The middle finger on both sides of the temple. Then we open the hands, lift the head. So now we use the tip of our fingers to create massage for the end of the skull that we did with the blocks before. So now I will just place my fingers like this on both sides and return her head and bring it down to make her relax. Okay, now we just make a cup with our hands and place the hands on the ear. So the ear is the gate or the window for the kidney. So it's like a sandwich. So one hand down and one hand at the top. Now we can visualize the color of the Ajna chakra, what color it is. Here, I will just press to the top of her head here. The big thumb both on the forehead and the other hands just wrap around the head. Here, as you can see, the point where our neck meet with the shoulder. This is where the tension is accumulated the most when you get the tension here with your mind activity. So we use the index finger to press on that point, while the heel of the hand will create the pressure for the shoulder here. So we place the hands on the point, the meeting point between the neck and the shoulder, and the other hand just grip the pressure. So you need to use your body weight here, otherwise your hands will getting tired. So you just push with your body weight. So if you are familiar with the place, then you don't need to where is her kneecap? No, just look. This is the highest point, so this is the kneecap, and then see the inside that looks a bit softer. Then we can just place our hands. We use the index finger to touch. So usually we can feel the pulse here 3 times. Ankle bone. Yeah, the name is malleolus. I don't know what it's called in English. Yeah, you know this is the bone that you can feel protruded here. So when you trace inside, you can feel the soft spot in the between the Achilles tendon and that bone. This is the same in Chinese medicine. This is called TTC, the kidney 3 point, to strengthen our kidney yin and yang. Gentle pressure here, the same around 1 until 2 minutes. So you can, if before we rub 3 times to eliminate, now only once. So here, from the knees to the fingers and release. To connect the Swadhisthana chakra with the Ajna chakra. So the pineal gland also here, the pituitary, because it controls our sexual desire. So here, I will give a massage using my hands. Now you can put one hand on the chest and the other hand at the back, just right below the first hand. So I will leave the shoulder first. Then place your hands in the between her scapula. It is like a supported back bend on thorax. And the other hands here